Are you getting the most out of Windows 11 File Explorer? This essential tool isn't just for browsing files. It comes packed with features designed to help you organize, access, and manage your data efficiently. In this video, we'll explore the best File Explorer features you should know in 2026. First, File Explorer in Windows 11 has a modern, streamlined interface. The ribbon has been replaced with a simpler toolbar that makes key actions like copy, paste, rename, and share easier to access. Quick access to pinned folders and recent files means you can get to your important data faster than ever. Next, let's talk about tabs and multitasking. Windows 11 now supports tabs in File Explorer, allowing you to open multiple folders in a single window. This makes moving files between locations or organizing multiple directories much more convenient and reduces desktop clutter. Another helpful feature is contextual commands and Smart Search. The search bar is smarter and now uses AI-powered suggestions to find files quickly. You can search by file type, date modified, or even keywords inside documents, making it much easier to locate exactly what you need. Integration with cloud storage is also a game changer. File Explorer now seamlessly connects with OneDrive and other cloud services, letting you access, sync, and share files directly without opening a separate app. This is perfect for users who work across multiple devices or collaborate with others. Don't forget about File Previews and Details Pane. With these features, you can preview documents, images, and videos without opening them, saving time and improving workflow. The Details pane also shows metadata and quick properties for selected files, helping you stay organized. Finally, Windows 11 File Explorer offers customization options. You can change folder views, sort files by multiple criteria, and even apply tags to files for easier categorization. These tools help you manage large volumes of data efficiently. By mastering these Windows 11 File Explorer features in 2026, you'll save time, stay organized, and make file management much easier on your PC. If this video helped you get the most out of File Explorer, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more Windows 11 tips and productivity guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.